is D'Angelo Thompson, and I'm here interviewing Lisa Meitner. Lisa, I thought you were a woman. Why do you look like that?
So, I'm technically dead now, and I'm just using my old course to talk with you.
Corpse.
Corpse. I'm from Germany, so I have an accent. And I'm just using my course to talk with you today.
When were you born, Lisa?
I was born on November the 7th, 1878, in Vienna, Austria.
What is your full name?
My name is Elise Meitner. Lisa is short for Elise. Elise.
Who lived in your household?
I was the third child of 8 children of a Vietnamese Jewish family. I live with my father, Philip Meitner.
What were some of the achievements you conquered while in school?
Glad you asked. I became the second woman to obtain a doctoral degree in physics at universities of Vienna in 1905. I also was the first woman in Germany to assume a post of full professor in physics at the University of Berlin.
What is your biggest accomplishment?
Well, my biggest accomplishment was when I was praised by the Albert Einstein as the German Marie Curie, another feminine physicist.
What discoveries did you make as a scientist, Lisa?
I discovered neutrons in early 1930s, which gave scientists the idea that it might be possible to create elements heavier than uranium in the laboratory. The theory also led to the creation of chemical weapons that are used today. Well, technically not used, but hidden from each other today. Yeah. During World War II, I earned the name Mother of the Atomic Bomb. I co-discovered nuclear fusion in 1945 with the help of Otto Hahn. And I gave the first theoretical explanation of the fusion process. As a result of this discovery, the Royal Swedish Academy of Science awarded Otto Hahn the Nobel Prize in Chemistry. We continued our partnership for 30 more years and won several other awards.
Because you and your family were Jewish, what did you all do during the time of World War II and Adolf Hitler?
So we were protected once by the Austrian citizenship, but they either forced us to resign or they were dismissed from their post. Excuse me, my apologies. We were protected by the Austrian citizenship. We were once protected by the Austrian citizenship, but we were forced to resign or they dismissed us from our posts. As a result, most of us fled to Germany. I, however, fled to the Netherlands and finally arrived in Sweden in 1938. I earlier stated that it was not only stupid, but also wrong that I did not leave at once.
Where and how did you spend your final years?
I became a Swedish citizen in 1949 and retired in 1960. I later moved to the UK to spend the final years with my relatives. After retirement, I continued to work part-time and gave lectures. However, I had a severe heart attack that weakened me. I ended up dying on October 27, 1968.
Is there anything else you would like to say to your fan and admirers?
Yes. Ladies, just because you're a lady, it does not mean you cannot do what men can do or achieve as much as men do. I frequently did things females were not allowed to do, like continue my education to college. You, my fellow ladies, can do the same. And to my male admirers, continue your education and achieve what is known as impossible because it is possible.